Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will discuss about most common feature, most prominent feature of Word document, which is table of content. Today we will learn a very basic feature, a very basic table of content, how to create that, and how easily you can create table of content from your document. I have seen this in many professional documents, in college documents, and in university documents, even now in school and in our professional career, that we have to write documents. And if we have good representation of table of document, it is easy for the reader to go to relevant section, and it creates a very positive impact. So let's try to understand what you will learn and what I will try to communicate by the end of this video. So this is the basic format of table of content, right? So in this there is type of heading 1, heading 1.1, heading 1.1. so this is the representation that there can be different fonts which you can select. For the sake of this purpose and for the simplicity and for the explanation of the concept, let's try to use the default fonts of the Microsoft Word. I'm using Microsoft Word 2016. So here I have heading 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I have created a draft of a document, like this is heading 1, this is page 2 of the document. You can see like this is heading 1, and here you created some text, like this can be 1 page or 2 page, right? And then there is the heading 1.1. here you also created some text. This can be 1 page or 2 page, like so what I have done that for the heading 1 I have selected the font, this font. For next page I have selected this font. This is basically subheading of heading 1, and in the next page I have selecting heading 1.1.1. this shows that this is in terms of hierarchy, heading 3. And in the next page I have shown heading 1.1.1. this is in further hierarchy. So basically what you are seeing, that I have represented 4 different fonts in a sequence, but you can see that here I am showing only 3. So in this video I'll also explain how we can represent the 4th font in this. So let's delete this and let's imagine that there is nothing in there. So we are here in this document where we have heading 1, heading 1.1, 1.1 and 1.1.1.1. Similarly I have created same structure for heading 2 and heading 3. So you can imagine a document which is as per your requirement. If you are in office or you are at college or you have to make document for your final project, so this document is ready. Now how will you create table of content? So I will shift this, create insert page to next page, and this I've inserted page break. So this is table of content. Here I want to show the structure, whole hierarchy, and let's give this a bigger font. I don't know why this is getting up. So okay, let's start. So first of all, let's go to this references section and let's go to this table of content. So if you are using just 3 headings, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, by default you can use this. So you can create, okay, just create this. So you will get the contents. You can use this content or you can delete this contents, and here your table of content is ready. And if for example you can go to heading 3, you can press Control and then click here, you will go to the relevant section. This is quite easy. So but the problem is this is by default. For example, I have shown in my example that I also have additional hierarchy, heading 1.1.1.1. for that hierarchy I have selected heading 4. Then how I can edit this, right? So let's try and edit this one. Table of content, update table, and let's say remove table of contents. I have removed this. Now I will include my own format of table of content. I'll go to references, I'll go to the table of content, and here I go to the custom table of content. So here you can see that I have shown the preview of what it will look like. the web preview, how it will look like on web, and print preview. I will go to the options, and here you can see hierarchy 1, 2, 3. I have also included hierarchy 4, so I will write 4. But let's say that for the purpose of this example, I will do something that for the heading 2 I will write 4, and for the heading 4 I will write 2. So we will see what happens. So I'll write okay. You can see that heading 2, which was above, this is below now, and heading 4, which is below, this is above now. So I'll go back, I will change this. So now by now you are getting this idea that you can change these hierarchies. And if you have your own fonts, you have created your own fonts for this. For example, you have used normal, or you have used another font, I will make a separate video on how to create your own font as per your requirement, as per requirement of your company or requirement of your document. So for this purpose of this video, click OK. Now you have this format, classic, so you can see how it will look like. And when you say distinctive, you see there is this line, and you can see fancy, then this will look like this. And this is the modern, this is modern, and this is formal. When you say formal, this is the case in most of the documents. So I will select formal, and you can see show level 3, 4, or you can go to the options to set the levels, and you can see that you can make some changes here. So I'll select OK, and these are your formal table of the content. This is really easy. And let's assume that for example 2.1.1.1, and right now this is on page 9, and you insert some pages, and now this is shifted to page 12. So now what you will do, that you will come back here, you will select right click, update field, update entire table, and just note what happened to this value. This is converted to 12. So this is really simple to create table of content, but I don't know why, but I struggled very much while I was learning this table of content. I was always asking my friends to help me out on this. I hope you will use this simple tool for creating table of content of your documents, and your documents visibility and effectiveness of your document will increase manifold. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this concept and like this explanation, like this video, and share it with your friends. Maybe they can also get help from this short video. Thank you.